In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the HotMiniDrama app and explain what you should know before trying to cash out your earnings. If you've been watching videos, completing tasks, and collecting coins, you might be wondering whether you can actually withdraw the money. In this guide, I'll walk you through the withdrawal process and also share some important information that every user should know. So let's get started. First, open the HotMiniDrama app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, you'll notice your current coin or earnings balance displayed in your account. To check the withdrawal options, tap on the Cash Out or Withdraw section. Here you'll see the available withdrawal methods such as PayPal or any other payment options supported in your region. You'll also notice that the app requires you to reach a minimum balance before you can request a payout. If your balance is below the required amount, the app won't let you submit a withdrawal request. If you try selecting a payment method before reaching the minimum requirement, you'll receive a message telling you that you need to earn more before cashing out. Now, if you're wondering how to increase your balance, go back to the main screen and open the Tasks section. You'll find several daily tasks that reward you with additional coins. These tasks usually reset every day, allowing you to earn more by watching videos, checking in, or completing other activities available in the app. Although earning coins may seem easy at the beginning, many users have reported that progress becomes much slower as they get closer to the minimum withdrawal amount. Before spending a lot of time using the app, it's a good idea to check what other users are saying. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for HotMiniDrama. Scroll down to the review section and sort the reviews by the lowest rating. Take a few minutes to read through the recent 1-star reviews. Many users claim that earning slows down significantly near the withdrawal limit, while others mention that they couldn't successfully cash out after reaching a high balance. Keep in mind that online reviews reflect individual experiences, so they may vary from person to person. Reading both positive and negative reviews can help you make a more informed decision before investing your time. If you decide to continue using the app, simply keep completing the available tasks until you reach the minimum withdrawal requirement, then return to the cash out page, choose your preferred payment method, and follow the on-screen instructions to submit your withdrawal request. And that's everything you need to know about withdrawing money from the HotMiniDrama app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple app tutorials and money-making app guides.